Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's a modification day of the interior. So this is what it's like to take a Mark III TT door apart just to get this bit, because I need this module here, which is folding in the wing mirrors, and the one I've got doesn't have that. So, taking my old door apart again. So basically this is the new panel I bought, and this is my original one, where you've actually got an extra piece here. See that one? And that part there, it's the folding in the mirror button. You don't actually have that there, so it's an extra function. So I'm missing that. So that's basically why I'm replacing this entire panel with that panel. And it's quite simple to do, I think. I've got to change obviously the wiring loom as well. So there's just a million screws to undo here. Okay, so I've got this part out. So I've just now got to replace this bit, which is not too bad. Okay, now that's swapped over. Now I've got the extra button again, which is basically this function here. And when you turn it to there, your wing mirrors automatically fold in. So now all I've got to do now is just put this back into there. Now in my existing door, I've got this button here. And I think this is to turn the alarm off if you've got dogs in the car or something and you want to put your alarm on, but the inside doesn't get affected if you press this button. So I'm now going to install this, because on my new door I don't have that. So I'm going to cut a nice neat hole like this into the new door, so I can then fit this button in there and the whole wiring loom will work. And then I'll worry about the lighting on the speakers after this. Right, I measured it out, so now I just need to cut into there, but I need to be absolutely precise because it won't fit in otherwise, or it will be too difficult and it might just be slipping around, or it might just be too big. So I'm probably best to cut it slightly under. Right, so I've drilled 4 holes, just kind of get the radius at the ends. Then I'm going to use a tool to just cut the lines, and hopefully it'll be a nice clean cut. Okay, so here we are. That was pretty simple. Obviously the edges won't be seen. I've got a feeling this needs to be trimmed a little bit more, which I'll use this. Okay, let's see how this goes. There we go. Wouldn't even know. OEM. Now plug this. Okay, there's the door. Now I've got the switch working perfectly. I've got the extra wing mirror folding in section here, which I didn't have before. That's all in there now. And now I've just got to put the speaker cover on and install it back into the car. Okay, it's back on. All I now need to do is put the screw in here and the screw in here, but I'm just going to test it out first of all. So that extra button there basically is to manually bring in the wing mirrors. We didn't have that in the last function. And obviously the other thing which I fitted is this, which is basically stops the alarm from setting off if you've got an animal in the car or someone in the car. Super pleased. I'm so pleased I could put this back in, because I was a little bit annoyed I didn't have that, and then when you have something and then you get rid of it, and you shouldn't really get rid of it. So that is now working. All I've now got to do is get the lights working. That's gonna come soon. That's the next thing and the final thing on these doors, hopefully sorted.